Hi everyone, welcome back to our little UK fish room, and we have another Guppy cross results video for you today. But before we get to the results of this video, I just wanted to quickly update you on the progress of another cross we are pretty excited about. Just starting to colour up now are our blonde blush guppies, which we crossed with our Leotow guppies. You can see the gonopodium developing on a few of the males now, and they should be ready to show you in another month or two. But for now, back to the video of the current cross. This video was brought to you by crossing a White Moscow male guppy with a female Blue Star Endler, and these are the F2 results. The results are pretty much identical to the F1s, and if I'm being completely honest, probably more washed out and not a great result really. This is as far as we're taking this cross, so won't be taking them to F3. Unfortunately, a male tiger endler decided to flee his home, jumped into the aquarium and possibly hit the females. With that aside, we wouldn't want to carry on with this cross anyway, so it's off to a muck guppy tank at my sister's house for this result. Thanks for watching as always guys, apologies the results are less than impressive, but we will hopefully have more interesting results to show you in future videos. Do take care of yourselves.
Thanks for watching.